Hey there, future freelancers. Are you ready to embark on a journey that could change your life forever? Ever dream of being your own boss? Setting your own hours? Imagine waking up each day with the freedom to decide how you spend your time. Working from anywhere in the world? Picture yourself typing away on your laptop while sipping coffee in a quaint cafe in Paris or lounging by a beach in Bali. That's the beauty of freelancing. It's not always easy, but it's so rewarding. You get to celebrate your own milestones and achievements, and every success feels that much sweeter because you earned it. Think about it. No more alarm clocks, no more office politics. You can start your day with a relaxed morning routine, enjoying your coffee without the rush. You get to choose projects you love, work with amazing clients, and design a life you're truly passionate about. Imagine working on creative projects that excite you, collaborating with clients who appreciate your talent. Now, let's ditch the doubts and get you started on your freelancing journey. It's time to take that leap of faith and trust in your abilities. I'm here to give you the tools and inspiration to turn your skills into a thriving business. From practical tips to motivational stories, you'll have everything you need to succeed. Are you ready? Let's do this. Together, we'll unlock the door to a life of freedom, creativity, and endless possibilities. The freedom lifestyle awaits you. First things first. What are you amazing at? What lights you up? Freelancing is all about sharing your unique talents with the world. Maybe you're a writing wizard, a graphic design guru, or a social media superstar. Or maybe you have a knack for coding, photography, or virtual assistants. Whatever your passion, there's a freelance niche for you. Remember, you don't need to be the best in the world to get started. You just need to be passionate, reliable, and ready to learn. Embrace your strengths, and don't be afraid to niche down and become an expert in your field. Think of your portfolio as your freelancing resume. It's your chance to show potential clients what you can do. But don't worry if you're just starting out. You don't need a ton of experience to create a killer portfolio. Start by showcasing your best work, even if it's personal projects or volunteer gigs. Create mock projects, offer free services to friends or family, or contribute to open source projects. Make sure your portfolio is easy to navigate, visually appealing, and highlights your unique skills and experience. And don't forget to include testimonials from happy clients. Social proof is everything. Ready to find your first freelance clients? The good news is, there are tons of opportunities out there. Start by spreading the word to your network, friends, family, former colleagues, and social media connections. Next, explore online platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer. These sites connect freelancers with potential clients across various industries. You can also join industry-specific groups and forums online and offline. Networking is key. Don't be afraid to reach out to businesses directly and pitch your services. The more you put yourself out there, the more opportunities will come knocking. Section 5. The price is right. Setting rates that respect your worth. Setting your rates as a freelancer can be a daunting task, but it's crucial to ensure that your compensation reflects the true value of your work. One of the biggest challenges for new freelancers is knowing how much to charge. It's easy to feel overwhelmed by the fear of overpricing and losing potential clients, or underpricing and not making enough to sustain your business. But remember, your time and skills are valuable. Don't undervalue yourself. Confidence in your abilities is key. When you believe in the worth of your work, it becomes easier to communicate that value to your clients. Research industry standards and consider your experience level. Look at what others in your field are charging and use that as a benchmark. This will give you a solid foundation to build your rates upon. The complexity of the project. More complex projects that require specialized skills or more time should be priced higher. Don't be afraid to charge more for work that demands more from you and the value you bring to the table. Your unique skills, experience, and the quality of your work all contribute to the value you offer. Make sure your rates reflect this. It's always better to start with a fair price than to undercharge and regret it later. Setting a fair price from the beginning helps establish your worth and sets the tone for future projects. Remember, you can always adjust your rates as you gain experience and build your portfolio. As you grow and take on more projects, your skills will improve, and so should your rates. And don't be afraid to negotiate. Negotiation is a normal part of freelancing. Be prepared to discuss your rates and justify them based on the value you provide. Clear communication is key to establishing a strong client relationship. Be transparent about your rates and the reasons behind them. This builds trust and sets the stage for a successful collaboration. Section 6. Money Mastery. Freelancing finances made easy. Freelancing means being in charge of your own finances, but it doesn't have to be overwhelming. Start by setting up a separate bank account for your business income and expenses. This will make it easier to track your earnings and manage your taxes. Speaking of taxes, it's important to understand your tax obligations as a freelancer. Consider consulting with a tax professional to ensure you're on top of everything. Set aside a portion of your income for taxes throughout the year to avoid any surprises come tax season. Section 7. Level up your game. Continuous learning for freelancing superstars. The world of freelancing is constantly evolving, so it's crucial to stay ahead of the curve. Embrace continuous learning and make it a non-negotiable part of your freelance journey. Attend webinars, take online courses, read industry blogs, and connect with other freelancers in your niche. The more you invest in your professional development, the more valuable you become to clients. Remember, knowledge is power. By staying curious and expanding your skill set, you'll open doors to new opportunities and keep your freelance business thriving. Section 8. The roller coaster ride. Embracing the ups and downs of freelancing. Let's be real. Freelancing isn't always sunshine and rainbows. There will be ups and downs, feast or famine cycles, and moments of self-doubt, but that's part of the adventure. The key is to embrace the roller coaster ride and develop resilience. Celebrate your wins, learn from your mistakes, and don't be afraid to ask for help when you need it. Remember, every successful freelancer has faced challenges along the way. It's how you navigate those challenges that will determine your ultimate success. Section 9. Building your dream team. Collaboration and support in the freelance world. Freelancing can sometimes feel like a solitary endeavor, but it doesn't have to be. Surround yourself with a supportive community of fellow freelancers who understand the unique joys and challenges of this lifestyle. Network online and offline, attend industry events, and connect with other freelancers in your niche. Share tips, collaborate on projects, and support each other through the ups and downs. Remember, you're not alone on this journey. Building a strong network of colleagues and mentors can make all the difference in your freelance success. Section 10. You got this. Take the leap and unleash your inner freelancer. So, are you ready to ditch the 9-to-5 grind and embrace the freedom of freelancing? Imagine waking up each day, excited to work on projects that truly inspire you, setting your own schedule, and having the flexibility to work from anywhere in the world. I hope this webinar has inspired you to take action and create a career you truly love. It's not just about the freedom, but also about the opportunity to grow, learn, and challenge yourself in ways you never thought possible. Remember, the first step is always the hardest. It's natural to feel a mix of excitement and fear, but every successful freelancer started right where you are now, with a dream and the courage to take that first step. But once you take that leap of faith, you'll be amazed at what you can achieve. Each small victory will build your confidence, and soon you'll find yourself thriving in this new, dynamic world. Believe in yourself, trust your gut, and don't be afraid to make mistakes along the way. Mistakes are just stepping stones to success, each one teaching you valuable lessons and bringing you closer to your goals. The world of freelancing is waiting for you. It's a vibrant community filled with opportunities where you can connect with like-minded individuals, collaborate on exciting projects, and build a network that supports your growth. Go out there, share your unique gifts with the world, and create a life of freedom, flexibility, and fulfillment. You got this. Embrace the journey, celebrate your progress, and remember that every step you take is a step towards a brighter, more fulfilling future with Stay Gouty One. Stay Gao 21. Subscribe and grow.